Welcome, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I personally earn some money once in a while with NFTs on NBA Top Shot. NBA Top Shot is a marketplace. It's an NFT place for NBA plays. So all those plays that we watch during the game might end up becoming NFTs if they are pretty good. And currently, as you can see, I have a pretty good collection myself. Steph Curry, Luka, Trae Young, LeBron, Giannis, Kevin Durant, Kyrie, Zion, Chris Paul. I got a decent NFT collection right now. I want to grow it, right? So one of the ways that I do earn money in here and leave it back in is by buying packs and selling it, right? I buy a pack from the NBA Top Shot, open the pack, I see how many cards I have, value my cards, and the one that I think are not valuable to me, I sell them to people that want them, and I keep the profit. Most of the time, I do sell them for more than I got the pack for, so I end up earning money and keeping some cards that I really want. And the other one is going to the marketplace and looking at cards that are undervalued, and selling it later for profit, right? Let me show you both example. The first one, 7 months ago, I went on and bought on a pack for the NBA Top Shot for $229, right? I was very excited that I got it, and I went on and sold the card. I got 3 cards out of the pack. I sold one of the cards for $1,060, and for me the card wasn't attractive. I didn't really like the play. I feel like it was not, like worth that much money. So that's why I took the opportunity and sold it right then, because I knew the card would lose value of it like very quickly, because it wasn't a LeBron play. I don't see why somebody would spend $1,000 on this play when it's basic to me, and yeah, there is like the fact that the card is very limited, this and this and that. But to me, that's a card I didn't want to keep, so I end up selling it for $1,000. And the other way that I earn money is by going to the marketplace, buying cars, and reselling it for profit after. So as you can see here, 4 months ago, I went on and bought Kevin Durant's block, right? I can show you the play. It's pretty good in my opinion, but the fact that people was paying a lot of money for it, like recently, I end up selling it because I can always buy it back later when the price drop and resell it. You block in one hand and lay up on the other hand. That's a tough play. I really love this play. I bought it for $17, as you can see here. And recently, I saw that the price of that one play was going up. I didn't think twice. Kevin Durant block, and I sold it for $46. The same car that I got for $17 ended up selling for $46. That's insane. And now, because I earned profit, I took the money and bought Luka for $17. How insane is that? Like now I have Luka, and whenever Kevin Durant's car go down, I can buy it back again. That's amazing to me, and I'm very happy to do it that way. The other way is like another profit that I had was with the woman NBA pack. I bought it for $9. Right after I bought it, like I bought it 2 weeks ago, and right after I bought it, I sold one of the cards in the pack for $39. I swear that was $39 when I sold it. I was so happy when I sold it. I earned profit. And the other card that I got in the woman pack, I sold it for $15. I end up keeping one, which is worth I think $10 right now, which is still pretty good if I sell it. But I want to keep that one. So I end up making a good profit off of it, and I will keep rolling my profit into different cards and flipping them later and building my portfolio. That's how I earn my money. I hope you can take one of my advices here, the way I earn money and make yourself some money over time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos on how to make money online, especially with cryptocurrency, NFTs, and many more. So don't miss out by subscribe right now. Leave a comment on what you want me to cover next, because I got you. Thank you so much.